Before I got into school, I was just landscaping, or worked at a farm, and always had to fix something. I had a welder at home, picked it up, started welding. That kind of got me introduced to it. And all throughout high school, planned on coming to this school, and then everybody kind of throughout my high school didn't really know what they wanted to do, but I knew from sophomore year this is what I wanted to do when I got out. So I was really excited to get done with high school and start the program. And first, getting started and getting in the rhythm of things, it's a little hard and you get frustrated. And I guess the hardest part for me was just the mentality factor of it, just trying to relax and remember it's just another weld instead of, oh, okay, this one's got to be really good, I got to make it better than the last one. But just kind of seeing all the things come together and see your improvement from the first picture of the first weld I made here to how I am now, it really made me feel like, hey, I can do this out of a booth. You know, I can go and work and enjoy this. So, biggest part about being a welder is not touching a stinger, a torch. Number one thing with welding is prep. You gotta learn how to prep your pipe. All of like the little details before you can strike an arc. Learn blueprints, got experience with the torch. It's more than just welding. So.